Children's Hospital of Alabama comprises of about 7 different buildings here on campus.
Tin Harbor is pediatric rehab, orthopedics. We do neurology, neurosurgery, and we also do epilepsy monitoring.
We developed a 760,000 square foot new expansion, which makes us the 3rd largest children's hospital in the United States.
We're here to make the children better than they came. So the building, the people, the facilities, the architecture, everything plays a role.
When we considered our family-centered care, every material was heavily evaluated, from our ceilings to the floors being very important. We needed something that was very sustainable, easy to maintain, that absorbed sound, that we could provide for a healing environment for our families, as well as our staff.
Nora flooring is much easier on my feet. My feet are older than a lot of the nurses on my unit. So I like the flooring, and it's noticeable when you walk from one area of the hospital to an area with the Nora flooring. You immediately notice the difference.
Nora rubber flooring helps with maintenance because it's a no-wax flooring. A lot of our older flooring areas have the standard VCT tile with wax flooring in it, and we don't have to wax the floors. It's just a damp mop for the majority of the daily maintenance with it.
The stripping and the waxing would cause kids that had breathing problems, it would exacerbate those issues. So if we had asthmatic kids, or if we had any type of pulmonary child or sensitive kids, we couldn't get the floors clean. The staff would even have reactions from the stripping and the waxing. We don't have any of that now.
Another benefit I found with the rubber flooring is in our existing facility, we have VCT tile in some of the units, and they were very loud with people coming up and down the hallways, the traffic coming through the units. In our new facility, with the rubber flooring, it is a lot quieter. There's a lot more sound absorption. You don't hear the traffic inside the patient rooms.
When people are sick, they don't want to be bothered by extra noise. So anything you can do to make that person's stay in the hospital better, it should be done.
There's many aspects of safety that need to be considered when planning and designing a hospital. And with children, that just triples.
The staff appreciates it because, they work 12 hours, some of them work 16 hours. You just never know how long you're gonna be here. And everybody wants to be able to do their job at the highest level and be comfortable, not have to worry about slipping and falling and aching feet and hurting back. And I hadn't heard any of that since we've moved in, and I think the Nora floors have a lot to do with that. I never really thought a lot about flooring, but it would be a plus for a facility to have the type of flooring that is durable and easy to clean and easy on the ears.
We see thousands of people throughout our facilities every day, and it has maintained perfectly, because it doesn't matter how pretty it is. If it doesn't perform and it can't be maintained, it will never last. So Nora has provided that.
We have invested a lot of time and energy and effort in design and building and finding the best products for us, and it shows. Complaints are minimal, but the compliments are overflowing. How beautiful it is, how quiet, how tranquil, how much the design has helped my child feel better.